Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to ETA Tricks. Today we will talk about the strength of acids and bases. After watching this video, you will be able to arrange different acids or bases on the basis of increasing or decreasing acidic or basic strength. So there are certain formulas from which you can determine the strength of acid or base. So let's go to the formulas. So you can see here that the strength of acid is directly proportional to electronegativity difference. मतलब एसिड का जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एटम्स. अभी जो एग्जांपल हम देखेंगे इंशाल्लाह उसमें क्लियर हो जाएगा. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एसिड के लिए दूसरा फार्मूला स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एसिड इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द पोलैरिटी. मतलब जो दो एटम्स जो एक दूसरे के साथ बाउंड होते हैं जो एसिड के, उसमें जो पोलैरिटी अगर वो ज़्यादा हो तो स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एसिड कम होगा. ये क्यों? मतलब अगर पोलैरिटी ज़्यादा हो तो हाइड्रोजन का निकलना मुश्किल हो जाता है. For example, this is the increasing order of acidic strength. Aluminium fluoride, aluminium chloride, aluminium bromide, aluminium iodide. The electronegativity difference is greater in aluminium iodide, and we have seen that electronegativity difference is directly proportional to the acidic strength, or acidic strength is directly proportional to electronegativity difference. So the electronegativity difference is much more in aluminium iodide, and also the polarity is very less in aluminium iodide than in aluminium fluoride, because aluminium fluoride is fluorine is much more electronegative, so it attracts the shared pair of electrons much more towards itself as compared to iodine in aluminium iodide. Now, the strength of the base is inversely proportional to electronegativity difference. For acid, the strength is directly proportional to electronegativity difference, but for base, it is inversely proportional to electronegativity difference. For example, this is the increasing order of acidic strength. Nitrogen fluoride has very less electronegativity difference, so it has greater strength, and nitrogen iodide has more electronegativity difference, so it is a weak acid as compared to the other. Strength of oxy acid is directly proportional to oxidation number. Here the oxidation number is greater in this HClO4, so it is a stronger acid, and this one is weak acid, and this is the increasing order of acidic strength. Now you can arrange the following on the basis of acidic strength, increasing or decreasing acidic strength. So you do it by yourself. Inshallah you will be able to do it. Tough luck. Thank you.